People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, today I'm going to talk about a murder that took place recently, May 21st to be exact. That a taxi driver by the name of Kemar Minott was killed. Whole heap of times when you hear so 87 is posing as passengers, kill either the taxi man or the next passenger. A story as old as time itself. But this time we actually have a video to show you how almost casual. Right, in the video I play, I go see the 87 step out of the car, casually walk past the road, walk across the road, go about in business. Car there behind her, right. Kemar taxi. People going in the opposite direction, pedestrian all walk on the roadside. Never talk about it. A short clip about it. Show you a whole heap. Before we go into that, couple things. But they telling us I'm going to start drop some more. Or not some more, I'm going to start drop some shorter form content. The videos might be 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Right. The goal is to be under 5. Right. Even 1 2-minute video. But I've been thinking to myself, how can I do that and still, make sure it's something where have some kind of value. Or just want to put out, just lazy content for the sake of it. Now me have one. I'm going to call the series Wagwan With. The Wagwan With series. Every video will be titled Wagwan With. And it's basically some cases on my cover already. My thing say, well, why not talk about this again? So can't brush that one under the carpet or push that file that we're on the background or so. We're going to start the Wagwan With. Some shorter videos. Just, Wagwan with the case. Wagwan with such, man. Wagwan with this. Some case where my things they forgotten. So like the cool case them now. When them say the case cool, we just drop it back. Wagwan with. Just to, just to keep it in the memories of not just the people but the authorities them. The Wagwan With series. And the first one I drop today after this video. Right. Now we'll see what it's about. Wagwan With series. Next up, next announcement. People link me anytime they make something have to do with them favorite artists and any kind of court decisions. So look YouTuber, you saw that date here in the week. Right, the case I got put us on documents I go here, so then we think I will go through your one. The case with their favorite artist is pretty straightforward. The angle with the defense and the prosecution are coming. Very straightforward. So straightforward me can almost tell you as if me are going in a courtroom too. Which angle the defense are come from and which angle the prosecution are coming. So probably tomorrow we drop the video upon that. Pretty straightforward. And this is not neurosurgery. But for this video, we're going to play a clip showing you the murder of Kemar Minott. Them type of video is especially for the people them who have it to say, you have to, a bus going to or be a kerosene or something like so to get caught up in the madness. Yes, them people are often the targets. But nobody thinks a gunshot can't catch you. 87s now if you have nothing against you, all if you have something against you, the taxi man where I come from, or the passenger where I come from. When I watch this video and you see how 87 after I'm done kill Kemar, just casually walk out and go across the road and go about in business. Just understand, say, the only reason why you not in a taxi, or your pitney them in a taxi, or your mother or your father in a taxi, is luck or blessing depending upon where you believe in. Enough time when you be out of a taxi, you don't realize say, on the life, man, just get spared. I'm going to show you casual these things that mean, man. Check out the video. So as me say, taxi driver named Kemar, he lost his life right on the intersection there, so near Mountain View Avenue and Woodmont Road, you know. Anybody will use the Norman Manley International Airport. Sometimes them take from Mountain View side and then turn pan Minott Road and turn going there, so that intersection might look familiar. So Kemar, they already make it known, say man from Rockfort, I tell him say them all do him things. Because it's like a Rockfort, the issue that stem from. You know, make people run him know, say, you know, him life in a danger, and man I send, you know, threat to him, and man I don't get information yet as to who last send the threat as the exact person. But him to make people know, you know, man and man talk, I say, yo, you know, the man them talk and man say them go do this, but the thing with, you know, enough Iron Man, all the time them feel danger near. Right, them a style way, right, them almost dismissive, like, yo, all them board are send threat, them board they must know, so you think of them alone can do things in them kind of style, eh? So they never really go into the details, like, man say, help me, right, but he probably was saying help me, but, you know, ego. Cause enough man do it, you know. Somebody threaten them and them don't really want directly, right? So you know, say, right, Richie Black's threatening me, and right now I'm afraid for my life, you know, some live want to go there, so, or enough man, the word it is, yo, when all certain man around them talking, them boy if you know, so yo, if a boy ever go like him want, but clearly was in danger. I don't know exactly who, but people that threaten him. Man that threaten him, and shortly after, him go dead now. The fact that the youth will kill him, when I taxi with him, show me say, he's not the man where him have nothing with, because if you're a man of war, a man say do things, and you see man I go near a taxi, you go get spooked. So more than likely them send somebody who him not know or him not, and he might know them, but him not expect them to be the person who go shoot him. But you see how casual it is. Just walk out of the way the 87 walk out of the car. If me never tell you to say a murder take place or so, you would never know. Talk truth. The way the 87 walk out of the vehicle and go cry, if you never watch this video and know say somebody dead in that vehicle, you wouldn't know say murder take place, right? That's how nonchalant 87s are. Because taking life and nothing to them. The fact that this is a Rockfort feud means that things have to get spooky. Because how it often work in a bad man place, all if the person were dead wasn't at 87, they must have at least a one cousin, a one friend, a one schoolmate, a one relative. And then you hear the argument them talk. You think this a go so? You think this a go so? Boy, you have to dead back. And you know how the dead back thing they go. Let me say, based on the report, it was dispute between man. Argument between man. Lead to man start saying threat to man. Because me say, just like the one in British Babe Mother video, I tell you already where you go in time you send threat to man. All if fun you do it, or you do it. You can't tell anybody nothing else. Because you know, people love send threat. Not sweet Iron Man like tell you what do you know. Hey boy, me come bust up your face and shot in your mouth and shot your girl and kill a dog. If somebody go realize somebody get shot and the dog get killed, guess who them a look for first? But I just want to take you in that video. Watch it back again if you have to. I know say you could have been in a taxi. You could have sent a picnic go to school and a picnic in a back of a taxi. Picnic could have sit on the side of the 87. You think same business where you picnic? If the gunshot, remember now, getting shot is only one part of it, you know. At least that's physical. You can see that and touch that. The traumatic side of it, you can love dibble and dabble in the acidity. You don't find it fun and entertaining until you see somebody head open up in front of you and all the marrow splashed in your face. And you can't eat again. You can't even look on food the same way. And now you start telling people, yo, them things you need to stop, bro. I need to change and become a better nation because, as I say, in an Iron Man, the real motto is not out of anyone people. It's only my pain matters. So people, certain things happen to them or somebody, let me see them baby come home. Mommy, my man get shot in front of me and the whole I made open up and now me can't sleep. Now all of a sudden, them turn #1 crime fighter. And just last week it was Informer for dead. Now them say, Informer, please come forward, come help solve case. How if you get them money off of the road? Just study the video. The 87 walk out like him get drop off. The way the 87 walk out of the car is like him get let off and him stop. And him just come out and go about him business. Taxi man just block up the road. Just watching the video, you might even cuss and say, watch out, taxi man, you block up the road, man. Not realize the taxi man dead in the car. Casual. Tourist board don't like that type of video, but people have to see what go on in the area, man. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.